it's Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States. I don't have like a fun kind of like, what's this tutorial all about? This tutorial, I guess, is all about the rainbow. I'm so bad at those like intro teaser thingamajigs. Is that what they're called? Probably. But it is about rainbows. It's also about a floral crown for my youngest. Because it's summer, and summer means rainbows and floral crowns. Yep, that's about what sums up this. So let's jump into it. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to make the base for our crown. Now I've done this before. Why is there green on my fingers? I'm not sure. So we've done this before, once before, oh gosh, with my dog, Josie, who we've now had for a year. We just had her gotcha day recently. And we did this little trick. So you take your fingers, twist it in there, and I am using pipe cleaners. I practiced beforehand because I always forget what these are called. Pipe cleaners. I think you can also, sometimes they're called like Chanel something or other if you want to get super fancy. We're just going to go through, twisting along. Come on now. I think this actually might be long enough for her head, but just in case, this is what I forgot to do. Normally what you want to do is you want to twist your connections beforehand so that you can make it a nice long pipe cleaner if you want, so that you can add on to it. You can make your little holes a little bit bigger if you want, like put 3 fingers instead of 2, but for me it seems like 2 is the way to go. And somehow I got uneven. Also okay, no biggie. All right, so we're all set. Now we're gonna take our little caterpillar and we're gonna take a ribbon and slide her on through. Weaving along. I'm gonna give myself a decent tail because then you can shorten it. It's always better to have extra than not enough, is my motto in life in general. So, y'all, my child's head has grown a ton since the last time I did this. So 2 of them was perfect for my 6-year-old's head. Plus she, I chatted with her real fast and she wants her crown to go all the way around her head for the most part. We won't go all the way to the back, that's where we're gonna be tying that off, but it gets all the way to the side. So 2 things of pipe cleaners was perfect. Strung up the ribbon and then just kind of straightened it out, fluffed it out a little bit. Got myself a real nice surface to be able to add all of my flowers. So now, I think we'll start with greenery first, and then we'll add flowers at the end. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. So, bringing you back on down, and we'll start working on this. Vikram's already warmed up. So the greenery that we're working with is a mixture of some stuff that we've had in the shop in the past and in colorways that we were just kind of testing out but do not carry in the shop. And then some random stuff I found in one of my buckets that I was like, dang, I really like this stuff. So here's this. I'm probably gonna use more of the eucalyptus than anything, but there's also some cute pink in there, and my daughter is obsessed with pink. This is like a faux wax flower. Just thought it would be cute to add in instead of baby's breath, something else, a little extra filler. Then we have this lovely like flocked spring green. This is in a different colorway than we had, and I believe the white is all gone now. This is one of my favorite greeneries ever, so I'm sorry, but I needed to use it. And then this I found in my stash, no idea where it came from. Something else was on top of it at one point, I think. But I really, really like the ferny kind of leaves that these have, and it's gonna go with our whole color store, which is more of a yellow-green undertone. So, very excited about that. So now let's just get to clipping and popping it right on there. Wow, my transitions today, stellar. Hold on to these for later dates. You can use these for finish off a bouquet or something. Oh, this I can tray right off too. Perfect. This one we're only gonna do 3 of for now, or 1 stem. There's 3 stems. Words, words, words. This does feel like a pretty thin plastic, so there's a good chance it's gonna get kind of melty, so we might need more. I think what we're gonna do for this is I like these little ones. We're not gonna do this again. These little ones, not necessarily these. I think that's too much color for what we've got going on. So I'm just gonna grab those instead. And then I'll grab some of the faux eucalyptus and the little ferny guys. And I think that was 3 stems. That feels good. All right, let's grab all that. That's a lot of greenery to go on there. I think we should be set. Famous last words. All right. I'm just going to, I kind of like putting these longer pieces at the ends. So I'm just going to work through this and just kind of sprinkle it throughout. I think that's gonna be the goal. I'm just gonna put a pile of greenery here. Vikram's nice and warmed up. These little fabric flowers, I might put those in at the end. Oh, don't lose the cute little piece that took forever to freaking focus on. All right, let's jump into this. I'm going to, should I zoom in a little bit? I think you can see okay, hopefully. You'll let me know if you can't. I mean, it'll be too late, but you'll still let me know. Okay. Here we go. I am going to grab, I don't know why I'm stalling, but I feel like I'm stalling a little bit. I'm gonna grab one of these, just in case. All right, so I feel pretty good about the base and where we're at. There's a lot of movement and texture. And now we're doing a rainbow. So we're gonna do the Roy G. Biv in more of a pastel kind of tune, because That is my little girl's favorite. So pinks, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. We're gonna mix those two together. There you go. So now I'm just gonna pop those in. I don't think there's much of an explanation needed, except we're gonna go in order. I don't know if we're gonna use all of these. Probably not, but I wanted to make sure I had enough so I wasn't digging for additional flowers. All right, let's jump into it again. All right, I think it's complete. There's probably glue. I'm gonna glue it onto my head. That would be bad. But, oh my gosh. However, for who this floral, beautiful rainbow crown is for, she's in bed right now. So I'm gonna wait till the morning. We're gonna pop right on, see how it fits, see if I met Miss Ivy's approval. Yeah. If she doesn't love it, I'm gonna wear it. I don't care. Wear it to the grocery store. Watch me. But also this particular technique, I think we've shown this before. I'm not pregnant, but if I were, I look it, it's beer. But this is a great way to also do a maternity sash. How beautiful is this for those rainbow babies? Oh my gosh. All right, I'm loving this, I'm obsessed, and now I have to go give it to my daughter and I can't share it. It's gonna fit her head, but maybe she'll let me borrow it every once in a while. Looks like it fits.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes. So, we're gonna trim this. Can you turn your head to the back so they can kind of see what the back looks like? So just a little cute little rabbit ear kind of bow on there, and then you can, however you want, to flip it on the hair or not. Okay, Miss Ivy. We're gonna just trim these to be equal, but they're gonna be nice and long. And this again is a personal preference. You can make it as long or as short as you want. Is it a good rainbow crown?
Yes.
Yes. Are you excited to wear it?
So is it made for me and can I keep it?
Yeah, it's all for you.
Yay.
All right, so if you guys have any questions, as always, drop them in the comments. Thank you so much for coming in here and trying it on for me. It looks so pretty. You're so cute.
And I turned 6 on the May 1st.
She did turn 6 on May 1st. All right, guys. So if you're loving these videos, can't get enough, want to know when the next one goes live, make sure to subscribe. And what do they have to do? Do you know? Ring that bell. And we'll see you next time. I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and this little cutie right here is Miss Ivy. Oh, wait, you know what I forgot to tell them?
What?
If they're new around here and want to try out the flowers, do you know that we have a code that they can use to get 30% off their first order?
No.
We do. It's YouTube30. All right, I think that's it. I think we covered all of our bases. Now we're gonna go outside and take some pictures of this cute little crown on this cute little girl. All right, we'll see you guys super soon. Once again, I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, Miss Ivy. We'll see you next time on another tutorial. Bye guys, peace.